my dear student. So today we are going to learn English, and in English we learn sentence constructions. So sentence construction is very important parts for your exam and your daily knowledge. So before we going to learn sentence constructions, I will tell you something about this topic. So first, what is mean by sentence constructions? So in Marathi we can say sentence construction means वाक्य रचना. जर वाक्य रचना जे इंग्रजीमध्ये असते ते आपण कशी बनवायची या ते कशी बिल्डअप करायची ते आपण आज शिकणार आहोत. ओके, सो ऑन द बोर्ड आय गिवन सम इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शंस. फर्स्ट, you know how many alphabet in our English language. So there are 26 alphabet in our English language. 26 alphabet. So our first step to build a sentence is alphabet. So alphabet is very important. Suppose some alphabet come together to make a word, and some words come together to make a sentence. Okay, सर्व अल्फाबेट एकत्र येतात तेव्हा त्याचा शब्द बनतं. सगळे शब्द एकत्र येतात तेव्हा त्याचं सेंटेन्स बनतं. इट्स अ स्टेप फॉर सेंटेन्स कंस्ट्रक्शन्स. ओके, सो बिफोर वी गोइंग टू लर्न डीप, I will tell you, you write like that questions. मी आंबा खातो. Suppose it is a Marathi sentence and you convert this sentence into English. So like that question you convert me for I, amba for mango, and khato for eat. Suppose you make this Marathi sentence into English, you write like that. All Marathi and English are same, so it is a wrong method. It is wrong method. हे चुकीचं असणार आहे. Suppose you write the correct English sentence, you have to know the formula of English sentence. The formula of English sentence. So here I written I eat a mango. So it is a correct sentence. But you build up like that. I for subject, eat for verb, a mango for object. So it is a correct formula to write a English sentence. First, subject, verb, object. So it is a correct formula to write a simple sentence in English language. जर तुम्हाला इंग्लिश लँग्वेज मधला एखादा सिंपल सेंटेन्स बनवायचा असेल तर तुम्हाला फॉर्म्युला कुठला माहित पाहिजे? सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट. जेव्हा सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट असा येईल तेव्हाच ते तुमचा सेंटेन्स करेक्ट येणार. सो इट इज अ रॉंग मेथड. यू कन्वर्ट लाईक दॅट. इट इज अ रॉंग मेथड आणि इट इज अ करेक्ट मेथड. मी आंबा खातो, सो आय ईट अ मँगो, म्हणजे मी आंबा खातो. सो यू हॅव टू नो द सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब अँड ऑब्जेक्ट. इफ यू नो लाईक दॅट, it is a correct formula to write a simple sentence in English. Okay, so now we're going to learn what is meant by subject, what is meant by verb, and what is meant by object. Okay, so first, subject means what? The subject is the person or things which perform some action or association with action. It's called a subject. Subject म्हणजे कर्ता. कर्त्याचं काम काय असतं की वाक्याच्या सुरुवातीला यायचं आणि जे क्रिया होणार आहे ते त्याच्या थ्रो होती. सब्जेक्ट थ्रोच कुठली क्रिया होत असते. सो इट इज अ ऍक्शन या इट इज अ असोसिएशन विथ ऍक्शन. नॉट ऍक्शन, इट इज असोसिएशन विथ ऍक्शन, म्हणजे त्या थ्रोच काहीतरी क्रिया होत असते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, व्हॉट इज इन द सब्जेक्ट हियर? सो लाईक अँड सब्जेक्ट एक्झाम्पल इज सिंग्युलर नाउन. सिंग्युलर मीन्स इट इज अ सिंगल पर्सन, प्लेस, थिंग्स. देन he, she, it, I, you, we, they. Okay, so these are the subject, and plural form means there is a many things. So he for man, she for girl, it for things, I for ourselves, you for other person, we for our, they for they. Okay, and plural means many person is there, and many things, many animals is there. So these are the subject is over. Now second, verb. So what is the verb? So verb is a showing action. जे ऍक्च्युअली क्रिया होत असते ते कुठून होत असते? वर्ब थ्रो. लाईक दॅट. आय subject. So it is a associate with action. Eat is a verb. Eat म्हणजे क्रिया, काहीतरी ऍक्शन होते खाण्याची. सो इट इज अ वर्ड शोईंग ऍक्शन, म्हणजे काहीतरी क्रिया दाखवणारा शब्द, ह्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, वर्ब म्हणतो. ओके, सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ वर्ब. There are two types of verb. First main verb and second helping verbs. So main verb means like that main verbs. Eat. Okay. And helping verbs means what? Am is are, was, were, shall we. So it is a helping verbs. Am is are for present tense. Was were for past tense. Shall will for future tense. Understood? Now third number, object. Object means affected by the action. ज्याच्यावर क्रिया होते त्याला म्हणतात ऑब्जेक्ट, म्हणजे कर्म. ज्याच्यावर क्रिया होते तो कर्म. हा क्रिया करणारा, हा मेन क्रिया. ओके, जे क्रिया करतो आणि हे क्रिया करायला भाग पाडतो. आणि ते कशावर क्रिया होते तर या ऑब्जेक्टवर होते, ह्याला म्हणतात कर्म. अंडरस्टूड? सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट करता, वर्ब क्रियापद आणि ऑब्जेक्ट म्हणजे कर्म. सो what is my object? Object is affected by the action, म्हणजे ज्याच्यावर क्रिया होते त्याला काय म्हणतात, ऑब्जेक्ट म्हणतात. अंडरस्टूड? सो these are the patterns. So these are the formula. What is the formula of simple sentence? Subject, verb, object. It is a formula of simple sentence. Understood? Next we write again one example here. I eat an apple. So I is a subject, म्हणजे association with action. Then eat is a verb showing action, खाण्याची क्रिया. And apple is object means affected by the action. So these are the correct formula to write a simple sentence in English. Understood? So like that you have to know the formula correct. So you have to write the simple sentence easily in English language. It is a wrong formula and this is the right formula. So you write right formula, you know the subject, verb, object. So you learn proper all these things, so you write all the sentence construction very easily. There are some question of sentence constructions like that. In every time I told you, when you solve any questions, you read at least 2 times. If you read 2 times, you recognize the meaning of the question and you easily solve all the questions. Okay, so same here. We read all the question 1 time and second time we try to solve it. So everyone look on the board and listen carefully. So number 1 is, there are ... alphabet in English language. Second number, complete the sentence using the correct form of verb. Sentence is Sonali ... and apple. Then third number, choose the correct simple sentence. Choose the correct simple sentence. Now fourth one, choose the correct subject and fill in the blanks. Sentence is ... and playing cricket. Now fifth number, choose the proper form of underlined words. The sentence is, we are going to picnic. Underline is to picnic. Now sixth number, which words showing action in sentence. And seventh one, choose the correct form in the given sentence. Babies ... around 26 bones in their body. So these are the question of sentence constructions. Okay, now we are going to solve it. So everyone look on the board and listen carefully. Number 1 is, there are ... alphabet in our English language. So how many total alphabet in our English language? Number 1 option 20, number 2 21, then 3 26 and last one 4 22. So how many total alphabet in English language? There are 26. 26 alphabet आपल्या इंग्रजी भाषेमध्ये आहे. 26. Third number option is correct here. Now second number, complete the sentence using the correct form of verb. खाली दिलेला एक सेंटेन्स आहे, वाक्य, ते आपल्याला वर्ब, त्या वर्ब भरायचं त्या वाक्यामध्ये आणि ते वाक्य पूर्ण करायचं. ओके, सो सेंटेन्स इज सोनाली ... and apple. So option number 1, eat. Second number, eats. Third number, eaten. Last one is eating. So which is a proper verb to make this sentence? Eat? No. Eats, no. Eaten, no. Eating, no. So which is correct here? Again listen. I am saying no here, but it is a correct. Because suppose Sonali, it is a singular is there, so you write eats. Suppose it is a plural form is there, you write eat. Understood? जेव्हा इथं सिंगुलर असेल, सिंगल व्यक्ती असेल, तर आपण तिथं ईट लावताना इट्स लावतो. जर तिथं प्लुरल असेल, म्हणजे एकापेक्षा जास्त मुली मुलं असेल, तर आपण काय करतो? ईट लावतो. इटन फॉर पास्ट टेन्स, ईटिंग फॉर कंटिन्युअस. ओके, सो इट्स इज अ प्रॉपर हेयर. सोनाली इट्स एन ऍपल. अंडरस्टूड? सिंगुलर असेल तर इट्स, तिथं प्लुरल असेल तर ईट. हा, नेक्स्ट थर्ड नंबर, चूज द करेक्ट सिंपल सेंटेन्स. खाली दिलेला ऑप्शन पैकी आपल्याला आता सिंपल सेंटेन्स शोधायचा. यू हॅव टू नो द फॉर्म्युला ऑफ सिंपल सेंटेन्स, सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो ऑप्शन नंबर 1, I eat a mango, I eat mango, I eat a mango, या I mango eat. So which is a simple sentence here? I eat a mango, no. I eat a mango, I eat mango, no. I eat a mango, yes. Subject, verb, object. So it is a correct for simple sentence. I eat a mango. So option number 3 is correct. Which is correct simple sentence? I eat a mango is correct here. Now, 4 number, choose the correct subject and fill in the blanks. Subject. Subject, it is an association with action. So, dot dot, I am playing cricket. So, am is a helping verb. So, which is the subject is coming here? He, option number 1. I, option number 2. She, option number 3. We, option number 4. So, which is correct here? So, always I coming for am. Option number 2 is correct here. Because जेव्हा am येतं, तेव्हा त्याच्या पूर्वी सब्जेक्ट काय असतं? I's असतं. Okay? Not he, she, we. So I is correct here. I am playing cricket. Like that. Now, 5th number, choose the proper form of underlined words. Sentences, we are going to picnic. So, we choose the proper form of underlined words. Option number 1, subject, verb, object, helping verb. So, which is correct here? We for subject. R for helping verbs. Going for verb means main verb, and picnic for object. So which is underlined here? Underlined part is object. So where object? Option number 3 is object here. So to picnic underlined part is object, म्हणजे कर्म. Okay. Now 6 number, which words showing action in sentence? कुठला शब्द ऍक्शन दाखवतो त्या फॉर्म्युला मध्ये. ओके, सो ऑप्शन नंबर 1 सब्जेक्ट, थर्ड नंबर ऑब्जेक्ट, सेकंड नंबर ऑब्जेक्ट, थर्ड नंबर वर्ब अँड लास्ट वन इज नाउन. सो सब्जेक्ट म्हणजे कर्ता, ऑब्जेक्ट म्हणजे कर्म, वर्ब म्हणजे क्रियापद, नाउन म्हणजे नाम. सो विच इज करेक्ट हियर? वर्ब. वर्ब म्हणजे क्रियापद, क्रिया दाखवतो म्हणजे ऍक्शन वर्ड. सो वर्ब इज अ action words in a sentence. Now, 7th one, choose the correct form in a given sentence. Okay, you choose the correct forms in a given sentence. Sentence is babies dotted around 26 bones in their bodies. Okay, so there is the option is 1 number has, second number where, third number had, last one is have. So which is correct here? Babies has, no. Babies were, no. Babies had, no. Babies have, yes. Have. Babies have around 26 bones. म्हणजे जे लहान मुलं असतात, त्या लहान मुलांच्या अंगामध्ये, शरीरामध्ये 206 हाडं असतात. Has is there, but there is a single is there, there is has. Suppose it is a plural, there is a have. Like that, I have, we have, they have. But there is a single plural is there, so there is a have is there. Babies have around 26 bones in their body. Okay, so like that question we solve it. If you solve like that question, you have to know all the formula correctly. Subject, verb, object, and what is meant by all these things. If you learn like that, you have to solve all the questions based on this topic very easily. Thank you very much.